Alright, good day guys, and welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to claim some free Solana, right? So if you're a degen on the Solana blockchain, or if you're a trader on the Solana blockchain, you've been trading for a couple of months, you should know that whenever you buy a token, an account is created for you, right? And then for that account you pay rent, call it Solana rent, right? So Solana, makes you pay rent, and whenever you're done, or probably whenever you want to close the account, you can do that and get your Solana back, right? So I basically call it some free Solana because probably you wouldn't even notice that something like that left your wallet, or probably yeah, it's almost insignificant, but over a significant period of time, this Solana, it actually builds up and probably becomes something reasonable, right? So you're going to need an active wallet that you've been trading with, right? So if you've lost your wallet, or if you've if you've not used your wallet for a very long time, I think this would be the right time to go and check it out, right? So for this, we are going to be using Claim Your Soul, right? The link will be in the description, but we are going to use Phantom Wallet for this video, right? So we are going to head over to the browser section to claimyoursoul.com. So we are going to tap Claim Your Soul, but the link will also be in the description, right? So that you get it right, so that you wouldn't, fall victim to scams. So we are going to select wallets, right? So we have Phantom here. Now we are going to connect. So we are going to connect to this account. Yeah. So basically, let me just explain this further, right? So if you come here, you can see that every time you receive an NFT in your wallet, a specific token account is created for it. When you send or sell that NFT to someone else, the token amount has 0 units of the NFT, but still lingers in your wallet with no utility. To create each and every single one of these accounts, someone paid 0.002 SOL for rent, which is withheld by Solana network forever unless you do something about it. So you can claim your soul, right? So this is called rent. So Solana currently charges users 2 years worth of rent for every account created for storage and to maintain the data and process transactions with those accounts, right? So here you are coming to claim your soul. Now this is a fresh wallet, right? This is a fresh wallet. I don't have any soul to claim at all because this wallet is new. I just created it now, and then I sent some Solana to it, right? So over a certain period of time, probably you've been trading for a couple of months, certain amounts of money have been collected, for rent, and these units of Solana have been piling up, right? So get your old wallets, your current wallets, active wallets that you've been trading with, and you can head over to the link in the description. You can copy it, paste it in your Solana wallet, in your Phantom wallet. This is actually safe, right? So you copy it, paste it in your Solana wallet, and then you can claim your rent, and then probably use it to ape into other projects, right? So yeah, so I hope you guys have fun trying this out. Be sure to like and subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, be sure to grab a bag of WikiCat that is on the Binance Smart Chain network, right? So like I said before, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.